I guess we're live, huh? Oh, I should have waited for a break in the song to start talking. What a missed opportunity. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? How's the stream looking? How's the stream sounding? Let's get this show on the road because the install is pretty long. It's pretty slow. Where's Teal? Teal might be in bed, to be honest. He's kind of my partner in these, huh? Sounding and looking good. That's what I like to see. I really should include Teal in on these streams. I've been thinking, I've been listening to a lot of radio shows lately, my favorite shows, and they always have a sidekick, you know, somebody that's there to kind of like riff off of. And I feel like I might need one. I can do this solo and I can chat with you guys and stuff, but I don't know. This stream is looking real neat with all the pumpy background music and clear audio. That's the kind of stuff I like to hear. So I do a sound check a couple hours before the Saturday stream, the Distro Delves live stream. And I do that sound check on Twitch, so if you want to drop in... Hey Daniel, you made it to the stream. You only needed to stay up till 3:30 a.m. I'm sorry, bud. Anyway, yeah, so I do a sound check, and I spent some time figuring out the audio situation so that you guys can hear the music, and that the music is loud enough that it masks any background noise, but it doesn't overpower me. So I've got all that figured out. I should just make my password my name. Look at this Active Directory piece right here. There we go, now we're installing. Cool. So let's chat. So we got Farron is here, Drishal. I should enlarge this so I can actually see what's going on here. Can I do that without screwing the perspective up though? Kinda, yeah, this'll do. There. I've increased the size of chat so I can see you guys. So I'm watching the chat and the stream from a Firefox browser on the laptop. I originally tried with Brave, but Brave consumed so much CPU that it actually bogged down the stream. So it seems like Firefox is the way to go. I don't think it's a Brave issue, I think that it's a Chromium issue. Firefox is just, it's different and it works better for this. Oh boy, I need to start answering questions. Expectations for this 20.10, they're very low. It's worth pointing out that this will not become a Distro Delves episode. I've talked about using these streams as footage for episodes, and I'm not going to do it with this one because I don't like making episodes for beta. They're not representative of what the actual distro is, and they become stale and go out of date as soon as the actual distro is released. So I don't cover these. I'll do them in live streams so that, you know, we can hang out together and we can play with the distro, but I'm not going to make an episode out of it. Good evening from the UK. Hello, Jeff. Is Snap pre-installed? I think so. YouTube on Chromium uses a ton of CPU. Yeah, it's weird. I don't really know what's going on. You feel the presence of a certain someone having sent the link to this stream. I gotta get better at like reading these because sometimes I'm not a good read. I've talked about it. I have dyslexia and I don't read very well. So having to read the stream on the fly is already a flex for me, like as far as my personal capabilities, but that's something I need to improve on. No betas, no alphas sounds like a good policy. Hey El Snarko, I saw you this morning. It was good to see you. The sound check happens on Twitch every Saturday, a couple hours before this stream. So if you want to get a sneak peek of what we're going to be doing and test out stream settings with me, follow me over on Twitch. The link is somewhere on the channel, maybe in the description. I don't know. I've put it somewhere, I'm sure. Deep in 20 was an exception. Yeah. So maybe I should talk about the plans for Distro Delves. Chromium doesn't use hardware acceleration. Is that what it is, Tree? That makes sense. That would explain it. So it's offloading all of the processing to the CPU. So yeah. So the plan with Distro Delves and the seasons, I'm gonna make a retrospective video on season 2, so I can talk about how the series has evolved and continues to evolve, and what the plans are for season 3. But I completely forgot where I was going with that train of thought. Oh, the Deepin 20 thing. Yeah, so the reason why I covered that is because Deepin was a request. Deepin was a request for a long time, and the previous Deepin video I did was not good. And Deepin 20 I thought was going to be released after I ended Distro Delves in October. Of course, that didn't happen. I didn't know that at the time. So I wanted to cover Deepin before the season ended. It just kind of ended up working out that way. Hellcat, you have dyslexia as well, so you can relate. Yeah, it's kind of it's a thing, you know? It's just like anything, any attribute, you just work around it, learn to live with it. Am I using VirtualBox? No, I never use VirtualBox. That's not true. I don't want to say never. There are some operating systems that won't install on this rig that we'll have to use virtualization for. But this is physical hardware. Echo disable GPU and Chromium flags. Yes, try watching YouTube in 4K. Wonderful. It will be also Manjaro Deepening Community Edition. Yeah, actually, I've thought about the question that I posted on the YouTube community was I asked about doing a bunch of distros in one session, and I'm thinking about having a special stream where I stream for like 8 hours and we just hit all of the spins for a specific distro. So if we're gonna do a big long all-day stream, let's pick Manjaro and let's start with Manjaro XFCE, and once that's done, let's do KDE, and then let's do what's the they have a third, Gnome, I guess is probably the third official spin, and just go down the list. It would be a really long stream, but I think it would be fun. Am I going to test games? I'll test open source games. I don't want to log into my Steam here because there's two-factor authentication, and it's just it's kind of a thing. For me, it would be an all-night Manjaro stream. Yeah, I think it could be fun. It's still installing. What else was I going to announce? Oh, yeah, so the channel, the YouTube channel, doesn't have ads except for videos where I use copyrighted music, probably like this one. I need to go through my playlist and trim out all of the copyrighted music. But, so if you want to support me, you can use Super Chat and do it that way. You can become a patron. And I post stuff on Patreon all the time. I use it kind of as a blogging service, which is cool. And then there's also Twitch. I'm technically an affiliate already. I didn't realize that once you met the requirements on Twitch, you become an affiliate, but I haven't finished filling out the information. So I'm kind of like in this weird gray area. But eventually, I will become a Twitch affiliate, and then you can subscribe to me over there. I need to get rid of this song. I don't like this one. Who is this? Refresh? Oh, I don't have my thing on. Let's try this again. There. Am I in the US? Yes, I am in the US. You're trying out KDE and you like it, but someone said to try Solus. I just watched you looking at Solus. What do you think? I like Solus a lot. Solus breathed new life into this laptop. This is an old laptop. It has an old ancient i5. I think it's a Kaby Lake i5. I guess I could easily look it up, but it's an older laptop. And with Ubuntu Vanilla, it struggles so bad trying to stream that it's just basically not functional. So I put Solus on it with Gnome, and it can do it. I'm streaming at 720. We're not dropping any frames, not stuttering. It's running at 76 degrees Celsius. With Ubuntu, it was like 84 degrees Celsius. I don't know what the special sauce with Solus is, but it's on this laptop, and this feels like a brand new machine. It's crazy. There is unquestionably special sauce baked into Solus. I don't know what it is, but it's there. It's the Celtic magic. Or maybe it's the Finnish magic, I don't know. I think Josh lives in Finland, and then Data Drake is in New York. So I don't think there's any Irish in there. Try Alpine Linux. We could try that. Does this have the groovy gorilla wallpapers? It does. It has a whole bunch of cool wallpapers. I was playing with it a little bit ago. Ghost-san, how am I? I'm doing well. My voice, my throat is already like, hey, chill out, you're talking too much. But we're gonna power through it. My voice is gonna be shot after this stream, but that's okay. Solus's devs used to work for Intel's Clear Linux. So, you know, here's the thing, Tree. This is an Intel rig, and I seriously considered putting Clear Linux on it. But then I'm like, you know, this is, I do development on this rig too. So I need something that is at least, you know, partially compatible with the outside world. And Solus isn't as compatible as even like Fedora is. You know, Ubuntu is kind of like the golden standard for software compatibility. So moving to something like Solus is a little sketchy, but I did development all last week on this rig, and it was fine. So I think Solus, I'd probably see better performance on Clear. But Solus, like I said, this is like a new laptop. It's crazy. This is what makes Linux so fun. Like if you're on Windows and you reach the end of life, that's it. You can't put a different version on it. Like you could put Enterprise or something, maybe Windows Server, but then you'd have to pay for that or pirate it. With Linux, just go to Distro Watch or something and find a Linux distro, do some research and say maybe this will work and throw it on there. Made it at the start of the stream for a change. Hello, tax action. Yeah, Clear Linux is, I don't think that Clear Linux is a consumer distro. I think that it's, maybe it is, I don't know. I mean, it has an installer, it has a desktop, I guess, but I think it's more meant for workstations and server stuff. I think, I don't know. Kaby Lake is rather recent. It's recent, but it's not as peppy as newer ones, you know? Setup, e.g. setup vlog when. I guess I could do that soon, I suppose. Sometime soon. I have some cool videos. I have some cool video ideas. Maybe it works for Linus who doesn't game. If I recall, it didn't Clear do pretty good in the gaming benchmarks? I think it did. I remember being surprised by Clear. I had hardware issues though. I had trouble installing it, but that wasn't Clear's fault. I don't think. I've done so many distro reviews that I can't remember. Like there's so much going on. Why not try Bedrock? I think Bedrock doesn't have an installer. I'm way more likely to do an installer less or CLI installer on stream, because producing Distro Delves episodes takes time out of my weekend, out of my week, whatever. What's my favorite Linux distro and why? I don't really have one, to be honest. Maybe Solus. But I mean, you know, people conflate their favorite distro and their recommended distro regularly. So my favorite distro is totally not what I would recommend to most people. For just average everyday users, I would probably recommend an Ubuntu spin, or maybe Pop OS, Elementary OS, but I wouldn't use those. Like, I'm not using it, you know? I have KDE Neon, but I updated KDE Neon and it hosed up. Like, it's in really bad shape, and I put Solus on my desktop, and I'm still kind of figuring out how I feel about it, so I don't really want to say whether it's good or bad. Okay, so Cabby Lake is 7th gen, and we're up to 10th gen. Okay, maybe this is just a slow i5 then. I'm not sure. I don't know what its excuse is. It's not very good. I mean, I'm sure it was fine when it was released, but it hasn't aged well. Bedrock isn't exactly a distro. It hijacks an already installed distro like Ubuntu. It has no installer. You just enter one command and you have Bedrock. What's my favorite editor? I use VS Code regularly, but as far as editing, probably Nano. I use Nano almost more than anything else. You could have installed Arch. Yeah, I could have. Why does this take so long? I don't know. That's why I wanted to get this installing right when the stream started, because this takes forever. Since I've started coding in Python, I use Nano more than ever. Like, I'm constantly in Nano. Vim is good too. I haven't learned if you don't use Nano, do you even Linux? What's so great about Nano? It's easy to remember. It's just easy to use, basically. It doesn't have like obtuse hotkeys and stuff. I don't know. I would recommend Nano to most people, and try out Vim, try out Vi if you like it, then use that. But I like Nano. Nano is like always installed. It has really simple, easy to remember hotkeys. It's very basic. It does exactly what I need to do. So that's why I use it. Have I tried CubeOS? I have not, but it's in the DistroDelves backlog, so we will try it eventually. Slackware? I don't think Slackware has been requested. Yeah, Ghost, you don't really have to learn to use Nano. It's just there. All right, are you guys ready to boot in? Check out Micro. See, I know that there's derivatives of Nano, but the thing is that Nano is installed on every server I work with. I don't have to install anything. I don't have to guess. It's just type in Nano and boom, you're in a text editor. Almost forgot there was an OS going. Let's drop in. Starting a new song.
$45, please. I bet you're worth a lot more than that.
I missed a question. I missed probably a lot of questions, but there was one I was about to answer and then I dropped it.
Not me.
All right. We're booting up. Oh, the other editor, VS Code. Arthur, hello from Germany. How are things over there? Hope all is well. We're gonna get rid of this song too. This one's okay. I don't like songs with a lot of treble in the background. It cuts through the compression and it annoys me. Samuel, hello from Nigeria. Hello, hello. You want a Queen or Led Zeppelin song? I mean, is this good? I'll get in trouble if I leave that plan. I'll give you a little taste. Today is the 30-year anniversary of the German reunification. Why is that not like trending on Twitter or something? I didn't even know that. That's crazy. That's a big deal. Are people, what do people do? Do they celebrate it? That's fantastic. Oop. It's a public holiday. That's really cool. It should be. All right, you guys ready for some Unity? I gotta move the microphone so that it's closer. I'm not looming over the laptop now. I'm looming over the keyboard and monitor, the Distro Delves PC. Oktoberfest? Yeah, we do. There's Oktoberfest festivals over here. And there's a really big one in this city called Mount Angel. It has this great big huge Catholic cathedral, and it's a really cool little town. But they have this just giant Oktoberfest. Well, I wouldn't say it's giant. It's big for my standards, I guess. They have a pretty big Oktoberfest festival, and it's really fun. But of course, we're not going this year. Total shame. Really wanted to go. That's okay though. Better safe than anything, I guess, huh? Did you not read the stream title? You're leaving because of Unity? What's wrong with Unity? LX Cute is good. You had faith. Oktoberfest. October 1st here in Nigeria is Independence Day. Oh, that's cool. Easy to remember, huh? What's the weather like there in October? Is it kind of the same climate year round, or are there seasons in Nigeria where you are? It's interesting here in the Pacific Northwest of the United States, when September hits, like probably mid-September, the season changes like immediately. It just goes from really hot to fall, just like pow. It's cool. All right, let's do some updates. What's Unity? Unity is a desktop environment. Isn't it hard to read with that blurred background? Yeah, it's not great. Unity was Ubuntu's previous flagship desktop. So I found this really weird. It says restart and update, and then it just pops up the shutdown dialog. And then when you hit restart, what happens? Hello? Is anything gonna happen? Also, look at these change sets. Like, what is this? I don't want to critique this too much. I'm not trying to be mean when I critique this. I get that this is a beta, and I get that Unity is still kind of rough. There's not a lot of development happening. So I'm not trying to be mean when I point stuff out. I'm just using it. And then it restarts with no warning, just like boom, restart. Also, notice that it says Mac OS. I don't have Mac OS on this. I don't know where this came from. I don't even have an SBD. This SDB3. I don't even have another drive in this computer, so I don't know where that's coming from. I love this stuff. Oh, this is great. And I love doing it with you guys. Like, playing around on my own time is fun, but being able to screw around with the distro while hanging out with friends is this, like, what is better? Welcome to Ubuntu Unity with the smiley face. Very happy. Yeet. This is why Unity got replaced by Gnome. I don't know about that. Unity 7 was pretty solid. Honestly, I think what happened with Unity 8 is that the switching Unity from GTK mostly 2 to Qt was hugely underestimated. Like, they underestimated how much work that would be. And because they decided not to go down the mobile route, that was kind of the main reason to go with Qt to begin with. And once it was just like, you know, the cost was already spent and it just wasn't a good investment anymore. Like, all this money and effort went into switching it from GTK to Qt, and then they're like, we're not going to do mobile. Why not just use upstream Gnome and make it look like Unity, and just boom. It's a shame that it happened that way, but I get it, you know? Like, it costs money to hire engineers and contractors to do all of this work, and then when the business decides to pivot, like, what are you going to do? So, which DE is that UK logo? I don't know. I have no idea. Oh, Ubuntu Kylin. Is it Kylin or Kylin or something? I don't know. I don't know what that is. Thinking about installing Ubuntu Unity. I wouldn't use it as your daily. You could. It's Ubuntu chillin'. Okay. So it's time to pull up the checklist because I don't remember what I'm supposed to do. We did the installer. There's no welcome app. Disk usage. Let's take a look. All right, how's that? What do you guys think of the footprint? You could try doing early 3D stuff. Comment about how your computer's bad for animation. My desktop machine is finally running KDE. MX Linux KDE. The mouse logo is Xubuntu or Zubuntu. Tax action, you hit it on the head. KDE is just too buggy, but I do like it. Yeah, that's me too. It is buggy, but I like it. But at this point, it's just too buggy. I tried to run KDE Neon. I ran it for months and months, but the last update it blew me away. I can't do it anymore. It's just too buggy. Like, I shouldn't have to worry about I already went on this rant during the sound check. You guys missed it, but I already ranted about KDE, and I'm not going to do it again. I miss the days when you didn't have to worry about bricking your distro from an update. Like, I hold off on updates because I don't know if I'm going to be able to boot back in. Like, I updated KDE, I rebooted, and everything was just jacked up. Plasma was messed up. It was just ridiculous. I can't believe it. It's just, this is 2020, and it's like things have gotten less reliable. I don't remember them ever being this bad. I guess I'm putting a stop to it. We're gonna move on. I already ranted about this and I'm not doing it again. Okay. So fresh install is 7.7 gigabytes. If I recall, it was 9 something, wasn't it? Memory is 6.7 gigabytes. No, that's how much I have. It's using 675 megabytes. Oh, there's no HTOP. My problems had nothing to do with NVIDIA though, it was Plasma, it was all messed up. Is this Unity or the old one? I'm not sure what Unity this is, we'll find out though. This is Ubuntu 20.10, so it's probably the latest Unity. What we got here? Intel only for me. uBlock Origin has blocked 181 ads on YouTube. It's worth pointing out, if you want to support me and the channel, you can use Super Chat. I'm probably going to get ads on this video because I've used some copyrighted music, but I don't monetize this channel anymore. Put a stop to that. I think it's better for integrity. I'm not trying to make money or turn this into a business or something. I'm doing this because I really enjoy tinkering with Linux and hanging out with you guys. This is not a money-making endeavor. It's a money-losing endeavor, if anything. Okay. 117 tasks and 275 threads. Pretty straightforward. What do we do next? I don't know. Neofetch, that's what it is. Look at that. Oh. We've got Ubuntu Groovy Gorilla. Development branch, kernel version 5.8. Comp is, oh, this is Unity 7.5 for those that were asking. Why don't I do systemd analyze anymore? I can. There we go. To be honest, I don't really know how to read this. And the numbers are so wildly different across distros. Thank you, Jeff, I appreciate that. Very kind of you. What is HTOP? It is a terminal-based process and system viewer, basically. I have YouTube Premium. Do you gain anything? I do not. I appreciate that you do use YouTube Premium because I think that that's a much more sustainable and healthy model compared to ads. But because I don't monetize the video, they don't give me anything for it. It's a shame. What distro do you use personally? I've been using KDE Neon for months, but I recently put Solus with Gnome on my desktop, and I've used it for about a week, and I'll talk about it another time. I might talk about it on Monday or Tuesday. I do regular streams on Twitch on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and I'll probably talk about it there. Oh my goodness. You missed the day. System deanalyze. Oh, system deanalyze blame. What's that? Ooh. Fancy. This is cool. So I think that there are a lot of services that have to wait on network. How much do I earn from YouTube? I think at most I earned $100 from YouTube ads. And then on Patreon, I think that it's like 70 maybe? Something like that. So not much. I mean, that's not, I don't want to put that down. It is, that's a lot of coffee. That's a lot of dining out. So, but I mean, as far as turning it into like, this is my primary means to an end, no, not even close. You really have to sell your soul to turn this into a business. And I mean, to be fair, there's a lot of people that do it. Like, you know, news articles and sensational stuff, that gets views. Views are money. But that's, you really have to sell your integrity to do that, and that's not something I'll ever do. Oh my goodness, you can do a lot with this. You guys, you know what? Open up an issue on the Distro Delves GitHub and tell me all of these commands, because it's kind of slowing down the stream, testing them all out, and I had no idea you can do all of that stuff with systemd. That's awesome. I really want to try it out, but we gotta move on. But open an issue on the Distro Delves GitHub and let me know what commands I should be running, because those sound great. So let's talk about the desktop environment now. We got compiz? I don't remember that being in there before. System deanalyze is used to check up the startup times. Yep. What are my thoughts on Arch Linux? It's a distro. Oh, interesting. Look at this. The little red up on the top corner, it just turns white when I do that. That's kind of funny. I haven't had good experiences with Arch Linux. I know that a lot of people like it. A lot of people use it, and a lot of people like it. I just haven't had good experiences with it, ever. It's always been a little weird. Oh, this is a crash. I see. Whoa, where'd my mouse go? Wow, that was weird. It like locked up the desktop. Sure, send it away. Yeah, Unity does look cool. The live stream died? Did it? It doesn't look like it's dead. This is Unity. You can use Pop! OS or Manjaro. All right. Can you just go away? Like, how do I make this go away? What is going on? No, it's alive. Just refresh. Yeah, Twitch does that sometimes. It'll just like drop. It's muted by default? That's strange. Okay, so what do I usually do in episodes? I go up to the top. Is this an official release? This is a remix. So we've got the power thing. You know, in episodes, I can really just like say this really fast and sound really smooth, like I know what I'm talking about. But when I'm live, I'm like falling all over myself. What do I normally do? This is, what is this? A power button. We've got a calendar. We've got the sound widget. Locale switcher. I can't seem to make this go away. Oh, it's a notification? No, I don't know what this is. Leave me alone. What does it say to do? An error has occurred. Please run package manager from the right-click menu or apt-get in the terminal to see what's wrong. Class file not found. We already listened to this song. What are you doing, Spotify? We will not have repeats. Unacceptable. Show updates, like I don't know what you want from me. Anyways, let's get out of this. Let's move on to the Bluetooth portion because that's usually what I do here. Get out of here. Wow, I don't know what this is, but it's nasty. So I have my what is this phone called? Post-Market OS edition? What is this? Libere phone? I can't remember what this is called. But we're gonna try to do the Bluetooth thing. I don't even know how to get into the Bluetooth settings on this. Like, the Bluetooth is on. Pine phone, that's what it is. Thank you, Reed. God. I don't know what I would do without you guys telling me stuff. Pine phone. Pine phone Post-Market OS edition. That's what I'm holding in my hand right now. And I'm trying to set up Bluetooth. And even though it says Bluetooth is on, it says Bluetooth is off. So I don't know what to do here. You love your Pine phone? Manjaro only updates once a month now? Okay, well, I tried. When you try to record videos while speaking, sometimes you stutter, yeah? Any help speaking smoothly for the recording? That's a good question. My style, because I have trouble speaking in general, my style is to write a script. Oh, I didn't always do that. I've actually only started script writing recently. But I used to just record all of my voiceovers off the cuff. And that worked for a while, honestly. Like, my voiceovers weren't, I don't think my voiceovers were ever bad. But script writing has definitely improved my delivery. But most people read a script for YouTube. But there is a very important way, like, when you read a script, you can't read it like you're reading a book. Because I don't know about you guys, but I can totally tell when somebody is reading something. So I'm trying to set up, like, my phone is casting Bluetooth, but it looks like the Bluetooth bug hasn't been fixed. Oh, I need to do this maybe? Searching for devices. Yeah, so I've got my watch that is casting. I have an Echo in here somewhere. And then I have an unplugged Echo right there, but hopefully it's not casting. It doesn't have power. And my phone is casting and Bluetooth doesn't seem to work. But anyways, my speaking style is great. Thank you. I appreciate that. It's, is the Bluetooth hardware dead? I guess it might be. I haven't seen it work in a while, so it could be. Can I show my desktop setup? Yes, it's on YouTube. I posted it last week, actually. You noticed Bluetooth just restarted, did it? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I can't seem to do anything, actually. Yeah, I don't know. It could be that my Bluetooth hardware has died. That's possible. Bluetooth should hopefully work. If it doesn't, I don't want to say that it doesn't work. I think it could be a hardware issue on my part. So it's not working right now. I don't know if it's the distro or not. But anyway, so about the script writing, my table, yeah, I posted a picture of this setup on the Distro Devs rig is on Twitter now. And if you go back to last week, I posted a picture of my setup. It's all on Twitter anyways. But going back to the script writing thing, I write a script and then I read it and internalize it and then I speak it. So when I'm recording the voiceover, I'm not literally reading. I don't know how to describe it. I've written a script and I know what I'm going to say, but I'm not reading it as I record, is my point. You looked at the system tray icon and noticed it might be off. It turned on again? Yeah, I don't know. The Bluetooth situation is a little odd with this hardware. I need to test it to make sure that it hasn't died. So the Unity tweak tool. This has been around forever. This is a good tool. So let's try to do the auto hide thing. So that works. Reveal sensitivity. Okay, no dice there. There we go. So if it's down all the way, it just doesn't do anything, which is, I mean, that's fine. Fade? Oh, that's cool. Or is this new? I don't remember that. That's cool. Unity is so cool. Hello, you're from the Hidden Levels Open Longhorn Development Team. Hello, Harry. I remember you from last Saturday. You can't tell you use a script on Distro Delves? Thank you. Like I said, I'm not reading from the script. I've just written it so I know what I'm going to say and I internalize it before I start recording. So that's probably why it doesn't seem like I use a script. I think it's a good method. There are a couple of YouTubers that use, Linux YouTubers that use a script, and it sounds like they are reading a book, and it's very painful to listen to be quite honest with you. There you go. While we're screwing around with the panel, let's change the background. I don't think this color does it justice. So we've got backgrounds for days. You going back to work, Joseph? Hope you have a good work day. The fading was back from Unity 7. I don't remember it. Greetings from Argentina. It's 2 p.m. here. Although it's spring, it's -2 degrees Celsius. Wow. That's crazy. There you go. It's a good one. Oh, that's a really cool one. It's just a black and white one. Here's Unity. Isn't this UB ports though? Yeah, I think it's UB ports. User Ubuntu Hello World. Data subscription is almost exhausted. Good luck, everybody. Thank you for sticking around, stopping by. How much potential is in Linux? Linux is the future. I didn't read that all the way. How much potential is there in Linux and the future? Linux is the future. You enjoyed the stream at 144p, else the stream will hang. I'm sorry about that. You can always watch the VOD. So we have Felicity. And then we have the grooviest of gorillas. Look at that guy. That gorilla is downright vibin'. Oh, that's kind of weird. I wish that if you clicked it, it would minimize, but that's more of a preference thing. Oh, wow. I like how when it maximizes, it kind of comes out and then moves to the right a little bit. Oh, I see. It's coming from this, from the little icon. It goes whoop. That's cool. We don't have official 20.10 Ubuntu wallpapers. Will be added as soon as Ubuntu releases them. I mean, they're pretty damn good. Can you enable minimize on click? Maybe. If you see it in here, let me know. I might miss it. But yeah, I mean, the wallpapers seem great, to be honest. Yeah, and the animations are really cool. Background blur. Oh, and now it's just transparent. Oh, this is so cool. I love Unity. More suggestions. This is where the Amazon suggestions used to come from, which I'm guessing are gone, right? Like if I type in shirt, yeah, there's nothing there. Enable search of your files. Wow, 2 OS devs are here. Oh, are there? Oh, Farron. Yeah, Farron. Farron's always here. He's a good guy. You need some type of Unity tweak. You hope it runs well on older devices. I think it does. Let's just keep this open. If more people come to Linux, maybe Ubuntu will be the new Windows. They've been saying that for years. Hey, what's that white right here? See it? There's a little white dot. What's that about? Menus visible, 12-hour, 24-time, switcher, additional stuff. This is all straightforward. The search, were we just there? Yeah. Zoom. I like that desktop magnification is enabled, but the hotkeys are disabled. The way that Ubuntu is pushing snaps is a little sketch. Texture quality. What does this do? Does this change it on the fly? Yeah, that's a rounded corner issue in some apps. We're working on that. Yeah, it's probably a difficult one to fix too. Ubuntu is pretty sus. Zach, you love my videos, love tinkering. Thank you, I appreciate that. I love that you love my videos. I make these videos for people just like you. And also, they're pretty fun to make. I'm not gonna lie. I make them a little bit for me too. Holy smokes. Oh, this must be coming from Compiz. Right? Because that's a lot of animations. Look at these. Look at that. Compiz, you could just make it random? I mean, why wouldn't we do that? All right, what's it gonna do? How does it randomize it? Is it based on a timer or something? Oh my lord. This is Linux desktop at its finest. When I think Linux desktop, I think of this stuff. Just these crazy effects that are pointless but so fun. That was a weird one. Probably a dice roll. Greetings from Norway. Hello, Robin. You use FreeBSD. I've heard good things about FreeBSD. That's a problem with client-side decorations. All right, what else we got? We got Workspace Switcher, which is disabled by default. Where does it show up? If I turn on Workspaces, where does it show up at? Super S? Oh, okay. Look at this! Look how smooth that is! Oh, Unity is so cool! You know what? Speaking of, let's just, can't I put it on the bottom? What was that? Something's beeping at me. There we go. Yeah, this is how I always used to run Unity, is on the bottom. Closing windows in Unity makes you sick. You watched the Ghost BSD episode? I wish I had done more BSD stuff. Ghost BSD is just one. E.g., last pinned icon is the workspace. Oh, here it is. Yeah. All right, I got it. Oh, look at the thing. It pops up. Watch. When it goes back to the normal screen, it stops and then it like bumps itself. Watch. Boop. Boop. I think that's the desktop scaling though. If I put it on the left side, does it still do that? It doesn't. Thank you, Mitchell. It's very kind of you. I appreciate that. Someday, soon, we will have custom emojis and it will be great. I think that you're all going to enjoy the emojis. But unfortunately, that day is quite a ways away because YouTube has silly requirements. So now we can talk about the themes. I guess we've been kind of talking about desktop and themes and stuff, but not Dolphin, Nautilus. Or is it Nemo? Yeah, it's Nemo. I remember seeing that in the change in the like in the notes somewhere that Nemo is used instead of Nautilus. There are 69 people watching. When Linux becomes the most popular desktop or whatever people will say BSD. Yeah, probably. Or when it becomes the most popular, maybe people will say Windows. All right, let's check out the themes. Arc is the default, or Arc Dark is the default. Or maybe it was Arc Darker. Either way, it's some form of Arc. This isn't terrible. Ooh, I kind of like this. I wish that... Oh my goodness, what is going on? What is happening? Whoa, it was lagging really bad. I wish that there was a combo between dark and light for purple because I like... Actually, the decorations are a little weird looking. You hope people will say haiku? If Apple made a car, would it have Q windows? You don't. Yeah, don't choose a theme that doesn't support Unity. Well, how do I know what supports Unity? I don't know. I'll just stick with Arc Darker because that's what it was built for. Because like if I choose Yaru, look at over here, it gets all messed up. Like this is red, it's just weird, so let's stick with Arc Darker. This looks fine, it's okay. Having the purple and the blue is a little weird, but blue is used all over the place, so maybe it's not, I don't know. $75 watching. EG is probably a popular theme that isn't Adwaitia, probably supports Unity. Let's try it. Now look at the decorations, they get all screwed up. Watch how close they are. And then if I switch here, now they're normal. That's fine, like that's not, it just is what it is. Probably shouldn't ship with themes that don't work very good though. New mix? Ooh, that's ugly. I remember when these new mix circle icons were all the rage. Handhelds? What? Oh, I do like Yaru icons. We already listened to this one. What kind of shuffle algorithm is this? There are how many songs in this playlist and it keeps playing the same ones? No, seriously, how many songs are in here? What the hell, dude? Try paper icon? Where is it? I don't see it. I don't see it. Not many people for dev theme. Yeah, that's true. Arc Darker with Papyrus. Yeah, that's fine. Humanity. I kind of like Humanity, but we'll stick with Papyrus. It's good. I like White Glass, but you know, it's good. Ubuntu with Sans regular. Pretty standard stuff. Man, I'm taking forever to get through some of this stuff. Security. And we haven't even gone through all of the desktop stuff. Let's check out the settings. System settings. Papyrus has an extension to change the folder colors. That's cool. So can I change them now? Let's try. What the hell's going on here? I think the hardware on this poor rig is on its way out. Yeah, you can manually pick different icon colors, which is cool. Try Neofetch. You like Yaru? What song is this? I don't know. It's called Disability by Box Boys Together, I guess. Which laptop is this? This isn't a laptop. This is the Distro Delves PC. The laptop that is being streamed through is a Alpha Centurion, but the one that you guys are looking at right now is the Distro Delves PC. Yeah. Anyway, okay, so settings. So there's another appearance tab. So this is what I ran into in the episode, and it looks like this is a small subset. Can you actually just remove this theme section here? Is that possible? Is the Distro Delves PC custom? Yeah, it's custom. It's made from cobbled together parts that I've had laying around. So it's something I built myself. But yeah, if you could just remove this theme entry, I think it would solve this problem of somebody like me going, oh, what's this? And clicking it and then hosing up the theme. So I was wrong in the episode. You can get it back. You just need Ubuntu. You need Unity tweaks to get it back. Since themes are hard-coded into the Unity Control Center source. So, but could you go into the source and just remove this row? Like basically just get rid of these two rows here. I don't know what the code is like, so if you can do that, I would recommend that. Otherwise, I guess it is what it is. Honestly, maybe this whole appearance section should just go away. Because there's other stuff you can break in here too. Like, I don't think this works, right? Oh, it does. Okay. It's whatever. But yeah, you can't really modify the package when looking at become a flavor. Oh, really? Oh. Yeah, I guess that would make sense. Spins can't modify upstream packages, right? And spins don't have their own repos, really. Okay, I can see how that would be a problem. Language support, security, and privacy. Search. Include online search results? Hey, let's check that out. Here's Bluetooth again. Color, displays, mouse. Printers, let's take a look at my printer. There it is. That's my printer. We got audio. Might as well send the audio through there. Oh, wait a second. Actually, that might screw the stream up. I don't know what it's doing. I'm gonna leave that alone. It just starts sending static. Someone mentioned my name. Spin Viking? I don't think so. What, Unity? Yep, this is Unity. Not unless you have the ability to push packages to Ubuntu, yeah. Are links blocked in chat? Yeah. They'll be automatically blocked. I don't know if we have... Yeah, we have a couple moderators in here, so... Is BTRFS good on Unity? I don't know if you can install it with BTRFS. I don't know if Ubiquity... I don't know if Ubiquity does it. Try the paper icon theme, because I would have to go out and download it and stuff, and that's not what we're doing here. Have you heard Ubuntu is the devil? Yes, I've heard that. Conspiracy time, CTT is the imposter. Does Ubiquity let you use... I don't know about that. Somebody confirm. Does Ubuntu's Ubiquity installer allow you to use BTRFS? Well, actually, you know what? If you partition it yourself, you can. If you use the built-in partitioner, you can. But if you're just following the prompts, there's no option. It'll just choose EXT for you. Anybody want to try to take over my screen? Screen sharing? This is so weird. I'm not even sure. Is this VNC? Like, what is this? BTRFS is better than EXT4. I don't know why I call it EXT fat. It's like a dyslexia thing. My brain exchanges correct words with wrong words all the time. Half the time I don't even know what I'm saying. So that's the appearance section. Thank you people for following me on Twitter. I just got a bunch of notifications. I need the distro devs checklist though. Default apps. We already looked at backgrounds. Any custom tools? I don't think this has any custom tools besides the Unity tweak tool. Oh my gosh. Thank you for the follows. I'm gonna hit 1,000 followers pretty soon. How about that? That's pretty exciting. So what do we have installed on this thing? We got Solitaire. It's a must-have. Do we have Mahjong? What's Kupfer? What is this thing? It's a launcher of some kind. Okay. But the question is, do we have Mahjong? We do! Here it is! Are we gonna play some games? Yeah, probably. You should check out the song The Day the World Breaks. It's a sci-fi song with different, like 11 different singers. What the hell? Oh goodness. Games. Yeah, we'll get to some games. Ubuntu Unity is bloated. Is it in the AUR? I don't know. Hi, you come from Iran. How are things over there? How's the weather? Good to have you here. That's great. Very cool. Oh my goodness, you guys. Phone is blowing up. Retro Toaster. Unity is still the best desktop environment for... Do you use it though? Are you currently using it? I can't get that one for some reason. Why not? Can I get that one? Okay. Does anybody in chat know how to play this game? I don't really know. There's all these like different symbols and stuff. I don't really know what's going on. Can I get that one? See, I don't know. I can't get that one. Maybe that? No, can't get that one either. See, this game is too hard. They make games too hard these days. This is a brand new game and I can't do anything with it. You need to match the cards. Only select cards, select the same symbols. That game's too hard, I bailed out. We got time shift. We got logs. Match the symbols without locking yourself out. Now these new modern games are too hard. They make games too hard nowadays. We need to go back old school. You made a brand new game in Q&X? Boy, that's one I haven't heard. Time shift is on popular demand. The one that can't save you from Linux Mint is breaking real bad? Password and keys. This is all pretty standard stuff, I think. Looks good. I'm happy with it. Like, there's nothing outstanding, but there doesn't have to be. I like that there's games. Let's see if we can beat mines. Oh boy. Oh! Screw this game. I don't like that game either. Just followed me on Twitter. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right, what's next? Default apps. The SD card. All right, let's see here. And what is going on up there? We have exFAT support. Oh, I like this one already. This sounds like the guy from Genesis. He made that song. Feel it in the air tonight. Is it called In the Air Tonight? Oh, it's a good song. Kind of what this reminds me of, with a long sustain at the beginning. So all of the archives are supported. Phil Collins, that's who it is. That's it. Yeah, hell yeah, you guys got it. We got it at the same time. What's my favorite desktop environment? Yes, yeah, that's it. That's got that really great, that drum piece, that drum part towards the end is so good. Oh, you guys are the best. What's my favorite desktop environment? I really want to like KDE, but it's so buggy. You'd think after somebody pointed out to me that I made a video about how buggy KDE was, how buggy KDE is back in 2016, and it's 2020, and I don't think it's gotten any better, to be honest with you. I don't. There's a lot of new features and stuff, but it is still, I don't know. I don't know what to say about it. Probably KDE though. I like KDE. You followed me on Twitter. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. I'll hit 1,000 followers in no time. What am I gonna do? NVIDIA? Just saying. I don't think NVIDIA is the cause of all of them. XFCE is good. I would choose XFCE over Cinnamon. What kind of bugs did I experience? So I have my desktop, I'll talk about it another time. I have my desktop set up in a certain way and I updated it and it screwed everything up, basically. Gnome versus, I'm guessing you're saying Pantheon. Pantheon's okay, it uses a different workflow that you really have to adjust to, and I've adjusted out of it, and I don't want to adjust back into it, so basically. Anyway, let's try this stuff out. Ooh, if I had HDMI piped into the laptop, you'd be able to hear what's going on here. Look, it's a 9-minute clip. And you guys have no idea what's happening in there. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember what this is, so I don't know what's happening in there either. God only knows what it is. Oh, MP2. It doesn't know what an MP2 is. XFCE doesn't like your system? What? That's interesting. Thank you for the follows. I see people are still following. People are still following me. Thank you. You all are wonderful. Cool. So what do we do about this MP2 situation? Rhythm box? Hey, why are there duplicates? Look, there's Shotwell and well, those might be two different programs, but why are there two different rhythm boxes? Are there legit two installed? No, there's not. I wonder what the story with that is. Oh man. I don't know if you guys can hear the notifications going on. What's an MP2? I'm not gonna lie, I actually don't know what an MP2 is. The way I created these is I took a file and put it in Audacity and I exported them to all of the formats my system supported. And MP2 was in there. That's it. That's the secret sauce. It's just, I opened up Audacity and said export, and it said, you want to export it to MP2? And I'm like, sure. I have no idea what it is. I don't like these beats very much. Oh my goodness. Suddenly lo-fi? Yeah, this is a playlist. Maybe videos? There we go. Totem can play it. What do I think about Pop OS? Pop OS is good. Yeah, somebody in chat, Google what the hell an MP2 is and let us know. XFCE is good. So is Cinnamon. It's an MPEG-1 audio layer. Is it better than an MP3? It's just a basic audio format? Interesting. I'm guessing it's a precursor to MP3. MP2 is MP3. Yeah. So we got OGG, we got Opus, we got WMA. Cool. Watch my play of the game. Oh! What the hell? What happened? Wow. What codec? What is this? That's interesting. What's going on here? There's like no information. It's an MPEG-1 video. And the audio is MP2. It's back. That's weird. I wonder what the story with this is. Like, wonder what the issue is. MPG? What's the MP4 file say? H265? Huh. Well, that's a thing. Snap and apt. Audio format that uses MPEG-1 layer compression to reduce the file size, mainly replaced... Okay, so it is a precursor to MP3. Sudo apt install VLC. Totem found the file cringe and didn't want to play it. MP11 must be the best. I figured an MP5 would be the best. We're only two numbers... No, I think there's an MP4 now, so I guess we're one number away from MP5. Rune says poggers. So media seems fine. Flatpaks are not supported. Good thing Appimages are, though. What would we do without Appimages, huh? You know, one thing that annoys me about Snap is that you can't install it from a file. I try to open a Snap file and it's like, no. Can I install it from here, though? Have I ever shown what that is? It has no reason to be classic snap, but that's fine. Do you guys want to see what this is? The jumper snap? Does anybody in chat know what that is? Without Appimages, we'd install packages from stores. Google says MP5 does not exist. We haven't included support for Flatpaks and snaps in the Gnome software by default. We would install it from the AUR and pray. Yeah, fair enough. Flatpaks work great for me. There are some great elementary apps. All right. You guys ready to see what this jumper thing is? Jumper.game? This is a little sketch. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, well, that's that. What the hell? No. Oh, it's a binary. I mean, okay. I don't know what that syntax error is, though. It's not using the right interpreter. I don't know what the hell that is. Weird. This used to work. MP5 is the most commonly used file. I don't know about that. And Lightworks. Now we're getting towards the end of the script, huh? What didn't we test? Network stuff. And then we'll... I forgot I had those turned on. Let's get Lightworks going. This music putting you guys to sleep? I think I'd have really weird dreams if I fell asleep to this. This music is like weirdly pensive. It's like nostalgic for something that didn't happen, if that makes sense. I don't know. Just weird. Nah, it's chill. All right. I dig it. And yet we'll get to games. I put on some rock music and nobody said anything. I'm probably going to get a copyright strike for that, and I didn't get anything. Nobody said anything. I don't know how far I can push the copyright thing. Actually, one of the times, the stream that I did with Endeavor and Cinnamon, where I was playing a bunch of weird music, I played like Michael Jackson and stuff. Whoa, what's going on here? What's going on with the CPU? Oh, it's evened out. Maybe that was when it was installing. But when I played like Michael Jackson and stuff, I got an email like right away from YouTube while the stream was still live saying that, hey, you just got a copyright strike. Or a content ID or whatever the hell they are. I haven't got one yet, and I didn't get one for... let's try it, actually. I guess if I keep it under 15 seconds, we should be good. I'll find something with a recognizable intro. Well, let's get something installing, and then I'll start screwing around with the music. So I'm gonna take the stream off the rails here. What are we gonna look at? Network. This isn't quite what I had in mind. Oh, look at that. Yeah, my desk station and my lap station. So it discovered these right off the cuff, I guess. Oh, maybe not. It was looking good for a minute there. Okay, well. I guess none of these work. Yeah. What is this error saying? Like, where is this coming from? This one YouTuber played a song that got a copyright strike. She contacted the band, and the band contacted YouTube and got it taken off. That's kind of cool. Use the YouTube audio library and stay safe. I don't want to be safe. I want to live on the edge. That's why I'm playing 15 seconds of these popular songs to see how far I can push it. That's just my style. If I played it safe, I wouldn't be on YouTube. I'd be doing this offline on my own time. Whoa, what's this SE context about? SE Linux context. Is, oh no, Harry, everybody hide before they claim. Who's they? YouTube? Go hard or go home. Go big or go home. That's my style. It was the style of the time. What was? Why do you, when you can have Dreamscape sounds in your video? Why do you do that when you can have Dreamscape? I don't know. So what's SE Linux context about? This shouldn't have SE Linux, right? I'm not even sure how to check, to be honest. Ubuntu uses AppArmor. Anyways, I was looking for the ability to share files or share folders from the context menu, and it doesn't look like it has that. I know Mint and Ubuntu proper do, but it looks like Ubuntu Unity does not. The classic YouTube tutorial music. Okay, so I think that knocks out the network section. So I didn't see any DLNA. DLNA. So there's no DLNA that I see. There's Samba, but it seems a little janky. There's Printer worked out of the box. What's my favorite web browser? It was, I don't know, it's like between Brave and Firefox. Is that Nautilus stuff, the sharing from the browser, the file manager thing? That's really slick, I like that. Okay, so now let's get some software downloading. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different here. We're gonna get Blender, and I'm going to show you why here in a moment. You've got 3 different Blenders to choose from. These two have the same description. This is 2.83. This is 2.90, and it's from Snapcraft. Try playing Bow Rap. Shameless plug. Heck, if I didn't need Windows XP transformation. I like Brave, Firefox, and Vivaldi. I see a lot of Vivaldi lately. It's like it's come out of nowhere and now it's really popular. I know that it's been around for a while, but I haven't heard anything about it until recently. Suddenly everybody's talking about it like they've been using it forever. Mint will have Chromium. What else? I was gonna install something. Lightworks, okay, we already have that. So Blender, and then let's find a game to play. Oh my goodness. Mine is between Brave and Vivaldi. When Edge, why did that? Oh, I see. You can install Nautilus and see if sharing works. I like to use things from the way the developer intended them to be used. If I recall, I think that the community requested Nemo over Nautilus. This is kind of the only section that I install additional stuff. Have you guys seen Lagaru? I've shown that in a video before. Nothing's really jumping out at me. I find that FlatHub has a better selection of higher. It seems like it has a better selection of higher quality games. Since when is Rocks and Diamonds proprietary? I'm fairly certain it's not. I'm like 90% sure it's open source. No, oh, damn it! I wanted to install all of those. I hope I can get that dialogue back. Ambience has the most Unity feeling of all. You love my game taste. Thank you. remove it and reinstall it. There's a whole bunch of stuff. There's the Rocks and Diamonds engine is really flexible and you can do so much with it. I think it'll be really fun to kind of show that. Okay, let's try this again. I'll go slower this time. I hope I didn't blow it by accidentally installing it. Oh man, where is that cached at? Just blow the snap folder away. Oh, it's not even here? Where is that information being cached at? That sucks. Don't forget to try the paper icon theme. I don't want to install third-party stuff. I'd have to go out and find it, and then it's like it's just it would bring the already slow stream to a halt. What's this? The Vampire Strikes Back in Spanish. That's kind of interesting. We'll do Rocks and Diamonds on the next stream because I want to show you guys the expansions you can get for it. An SDL port of Wolfenstein 3D to Spear of Destiny. Let's do that one. Is it in temp? I don't think so. Wasn't Papyrus the successor of Paper? I don't think so. I bet this won't even work. It's not looking good. Oh well. Let's do the Blender thing I wanted to try. How about playing some Super Tux Kart? I've already done that on stream. I'm not opposed to it, but I'd like to do stuff I haven't done before. Oh my goodness. I haven't used this in so long. Okay. Okay, so this is Blender. How do I get to the benchmark? That's what I wanted to do. Or is there a benchmark, or is it just like build something and then render it? Sonic Kart Online. Maybe I should have planned this better. I don't know what I'm doing in Blender. Yeah, I don't know. I'll just leave this in the background. If you guys want to tell me where the benchmark is in there, wow, it was really weird. We could play Lin City or Open City. What the hell's this? Open City is a... Okay, let's do it. Wow, this is a very... Like, this song is something. Okay. Let's play some real tunes. Let's see how far I can push the content ID before I get in trouble. Def Leppard, Ace of Spades. Yep, you guys got that one. What is this genre? It's just like classic. Good times, bad times. I can't recognize that dirty bass. Will they remove it? They will remove it with anything with the Eagles in it. I haven't gotten any notifications, so I think if I can keep it under 15 seconds, it should be okay. Like, that's public use, or what is it? Not public use. I can't remember what the term is, but I don't know if I'm really complying with that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check my email notification just to make sure. Yeah, I don't have any fair use. That's it. You got it. Fair use. I don't know if this qualifies as fair use though. You should try my game next week. Let me know what the game is, and I'll give it a try. I'll give it a try. Not opposed to it. We could try it out on the stream. Oh, it just crashed. Beach? Okay. Ha! Not gonna lie, this actually looks better than I thought it was gonna look. I mean, okay. This seems fine. A residence? Like, okay. That looks like a graveyard. I don't know. I wouldn't call this a residence, but okay. What? My monitor's pissed off at me. Look, it says that's a residence. This is a 50-tenant residence. It's a goddamn graveyard. Oh my gosh, look how big the market is. This is really weird. Oh, I see. It's not released yet, but it's called the Hidden Levels. People react to songs all the time, most of them. Oh, that's true, yeah, people do react. They do videos like that. Maybe they've figured out that it makes more sense just to leave it alone and let people enjoy the music. That way they'll become fans and, you know, go to tours and, you know, buy records or whatever, rather than saying, no, you can't do that. What the hell? What is this supposed to be? This is a monument? Look, it's totally a graveyard. What do you guys think? Is this better than City Skylines? Is this gonna be like a mausoleum? Oh, okay. A forest? This, honestly, this actually looks kind of cool. I don't hate it. Yeah, it's definitely supposed to be like old school SimCity. It's not bad. It's better than I thought. Like I said, I was expecting much less. Lynn City. What was the other game I installed? I thought I did another city simulator. We got Wolf. Open City. There it is. Okay, this is like a 3D version of that game. Oh my god. How do you... Oh, this is pretty bad. What's the music? Do I like 80s music? I mean, I like the music I like. If it's 80s, yeah. If it's 90s, yeah. Like, I don't really... My brain tells me what sounds good. I don't question it. If it's good, it's good. I don't really know what to do. Like, oh, it looks like it locked up. Oh, this is a great game. Okay, let's move on. I don't really know what to say. What's this song? This is called Cruise by Crockett on the Heist, I think. Close the game. It sounds like a good idea. What's this? This is the most generic description I have ever seen. This game is a single-player game in which the player fights against computer-controlled enemies. Damn! I'm hooked. You got me. I gotta play this now. This sounds great. Yeah, I found most of this music in from YouTube. There's this guy that I follow called Soul Search and Destroy, and he curated all this music. I've already played Xonotic in other streams, and I don't want to do the same stuff every time. So maybe we'll play Xonotic next time, but not this time because we played it literally the last live stream. Oh, this isn't looking good. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh boy. Oh what are we gonna do here? I don't even know. What resolution is this? Like, I don't even, like, is it 320? We're gonna just have to bail out. Crockett and Tubbs, Miami Vice. Try logging out. I can't. Nothing worked. Press power for a sec. I don't think that was 640. I think it was even smaller. How did that get onto the Snap Store? Like, that had to have been approved. Did nobody test it before saying, yeah, it's probably fine? I mean, it could very well be a hardware issue, but I mean, I don't know. It's just my experience with the Snap Store has kind of been that way. Like Wolf 3D, we've done this on another live stream months ago and it didn't work then, and it doesn't look like it works now. So at what point do they take it down? What's this one? This is on the front page. A free open source roguelike. I don't want to play that. I don't know. So I think that we've reached probably about the end of the stream. It's 11 for me, so we've been at it for about an hour and a half. You should try Stream Beats. Try Pixel Dungeon. Okay, I don't think I've seen that one, so let's try that. I can't wait to see if I get content IDs for those. If you like, if it is really like a 15-second timer, I'm gonna be like super jazzed. Duck Marines. I remember playing that one. The controls were really weird, but it was fun. Bamboozled. This looks like a mess. I like it. All right, what was the other one? Pixel Dungeon? It's 11:30 p.m. Would it be uncomfortable to create a podcast with Infinity Galactic? I can't. My problem is that I can't commit to things. I can't commit to doing a podcast. I already technically have a podcast and I need to do something with it, but I'm so busy during the week. And this is kind of my one thing I do on the weekends. I couldn't, it would be not, I can't commit to doing a podcast with somebody, especially when I haven't even done my own. So yeah, I don't, like, what would the podcast even be about? Like, I don't know. There's enough podcasts talking about Linux stuff. Like, what would make it different? I think that this stream is different enough to make it unique from other Linux live streams, but like, what would make a podcast different? Oh, Shattered Dungeon. Okay. There it is. I've played this one, and this is a great one. I played it a long time ago, but yeah, I've played this before. Greetings from the future. Can you post links here? I mean, no, it'll be moderated out, but depending on what it is. Hey! Bamboozled. Made with Unity? Oh, I can't do this. For starters, you need to register, which is weird. But I can't speak. Is this Spanish or Portuguese? I think this is Portuguese. PT? It's Portuguese, okay. I can identify languages, even if I can't speak or read them. Let's give this pixelized dungeon a try. It's Portuguese, yeah. Portuguese is cool. Is there a big difference between Portuguese and Brazilian Portuguese? Choose my hero. What? It's cut off at the bottom. Is something missing here? Oh. This resolution seems a little weird. No, it's just some words. What is going on? Oh, this is great. This is fantastic. This is a game. I wish it like, what's wrong with the resolution though? This seems off. Ah, here we go. Much better. Well, that might be a little too zoomed in. How did I get there? Settings? Oh, it remembers. There we go. What's this game? This is, just wanted to ask to be polite. It's same as American English. Oh, interesting. It's like American and British English. Overall pronunciation and meaning of some words are different. Okay, so yeah, like American and British English. Huh, that's cool. This is Pixel Shattered Dungeons or Shattered Pixel Dungeons or something. Very good game though. This is fantastic. Anyways, we're not gonna play that though. We're gonna get going here. Not before we hose up the distro though. Is this is Unity 7? I think this is Unity 7.5. Yeah, this is Unity 7.5. It's not in the Arch repos. So what's the forbidden command that you're never supposed to run? Let's go out with a bang. Let's get like a bunch of stuff running. Oh, I need to unplug that actually. I don't want to risk blowing that away. Sure. Yeah, open it. 7%. Apps purge all? I've never done that one before. I'm just gonna open a ton of stuff. Maybe not that. Blender. Well, I mean, I guess the big question is after we hose up the system, can we still play Mahjong? What do you guys think of the cat running across the screen? He's trying to get the mouse. Look at him go. Ah! Pseudo, yeah, that's it. All right, you got it. Oh, he's all bugged out now. Light works too. Look at the cat. Does the cat add something, or should I get rid of him? Where'd Mahjong go? Didn't I open it? Oh, I like that. Drishal. Hold on, let me try that. Those are the kind of commands I'm looking for. Those are the commands that I'm looking for here. Oops. Okay, keep the cat curious how it bugs out. Okay, so type. Oh man, that's a tough one. Like that. I mean, it looks right. Okay, so it's like an unhappy face. I mean, that looks right. Yeah, that's right. No, I have too many colons. No, I'm pretty sure that's right. I don't know. I'm guessing that's some sort of fork bomb, right? Did he pee on the cursor? Where is he? Oh, my mouse is gone. Oh, there we go. Bash probably has some protections. I guess we can just start hosing up the root file system. Let's just put a whole bunch of stuff in swap and then just delete it. Oh, this feels so bad. Okay, so let's try that again. And then... yeah, it won't let me do it. That's okay. Just Google fork bombs. Duh. Just copy the damn thing. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's hosed up. Quick, we gotta play Mahjong. Alright, as long as we can still play, that's all that matters. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Come on, bring it back. How do you get that cat? It's called Neko, I think. Neko something. Oh, Neko. Can we drop? We can't even drop to a TTY. I think it's hosed. It's trying. It's doing something. What is it doing? Screen just went out. Okay. I was low-key hoping that it would recover. Maybe it has. Are we good? Come on, I know that this is a good move. Maybe I can queue up a bunch of moves. Oh, damn it. I'm trying to get a feel for this game. I see another move that I could make. Come on, computer, figure it out. Do any of you guys use Splunk? That ad that's down there? Oh. Okay, I got another one. Oh, no! Oh. Come on, baby, keep it together. Can't do that one. Yeah, it's back. It recovered. The system seems to have blamed Rhythmbox. Ubuntu's like, don't worry, we killed Rhythmbox. The problem is solved. Rhythmbox is just like chilling, not doing anything, and it gets blamed for it. Dude, I'm bad at this. I can't see the forest through the trees. There's all these moves right in front of me. I don't see them. Yeah, it looks like it's completely recovered. The cat's chasing me around. It's not the imposter. It's back. Splunk! Oh, it's the out of memory kill. It took forever. That took a really long time. David M, is this the default theme? I think so. We changed some stuff, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the default. It is so funny that it blamed Rhythmbox for that. Look, it's a swap! There's a gig and swap! The swap is almost completely full. What is using it? What is chilling in there? Oh, it's not Firefox. It doesn't tell me what's using that. Well, I guess let's do it the old-fashioned way. That was really weird. What's libx32? Don't tell me what I can and can't do. Oops. Oh wow, the sun just came out and I can't even see the laptop now because it's glare. It's like glare. It's just eye killing. Hello, great Said. Okay. We don't need a CD-ROM. We don't need media. We don't need, I guess, variable data. Is it variable if it's gone? All right, as long as we can continue to play Mahjong, I don't really care. Can we browse around? Yeah, everything seems fine. We watch a video? Yeah. Overwrite the drive with just, you see about 3 moves? Where? Oh, okay. I was just goofing around. I'm actually really good at this game. Wow, now I'm lining them up like going out of style. Oh, those aren't the same symbol. That is, though. So the cat does not help. I'm trying to look for moves and this damn cat keeps getting in the way. I like Ubuntu's a logo in here. So you guys just want to hang out while I play Mahjong? E.g. the Mahjong god. You should remove user lib. All right, let's see. User lib. All right, user lib is gone. System seems to be running just fine. I can still play Mahjong. That's all that really matters. Oh my god, the cat. I can't not look at it. I'm looking for moves, but I see the cat instead. It's like try to find a move before the cat catches the cursor. Oh, I haven't heard this song. Look for pillars on the outside corner. I see this. I see the cat running. I can't not see the cat. Come on, why can't I click that? Can I click that? Gah. This game sucks. Kill all Neko? I don't want to kill the cat. Shouldn't be too long. Are you trying to delete everything? I mean, we're pretty close. Oh. Uh-oh. Something's wrong. So basically, as long as it's in... Oh. Okay, the video's dead. The cat's good, though. The cat's still alive. H-top is still running. Can we play cards? Yeah, we can play cards. Oh, this is good music. Oh my god, that cat, though. I'm really struggling. Oh. This cat is going to drive me absolutely insane. I thought it was fun at first, and now I'm like going nuts. It's kind of stressful, actually. Like, I want to move it before the cat gets to the cursor and like stressing out over it. All right. I think I'm done. I think we're done. Oh, this has been a fun stream, everybody. Remove RF everything? All right, let's do it. Oh, I don't have remove anymore. It's gone. I don't think I have DD either. Nope, DD is gone. Running applications still work, but that's it. Well, that's debatable, actually. Yeah, it's hosed up. I can still find stuff. Oh. Like the cat in the background. No way, man, it's gone. I don't have sudo, I don't have move, I don't have echo. I have nothing. It's done. Dunzo. Should we reboot? All right. The cat survived the purge. It did, though. Should we boot into Mac OS? Why is this here, by the way? I don't have Mac OS. I don't even have an SDB3. I don't have another drive in this computer, so I don't know where these entries are coming from. Type echo. Type echo. I recently started playing Echo. She's really good. I didn't think I'd like her, and I didn't think I'd be good with her because I'm really bad with flying characters. But she's not bad. I don't think it's gonna happen, fellas. Let's try one more thing, and then we're gonna wrap this up. Let's see if we can boot into recovery mode. Oh, this is looking promising. Bye-bye Ubuntu. Oh, kernel panic. I think that's it. I think we're done. And the music ended. This is a good time to leave it. Let me play a song for you guys as the outro. And I will end the stream on it. See if I get in trouble for it. Thank you all for sticking around. It's been a lot of fun. Thank you for all of the folks that used Super Chat. I appreciate that. I appreciate all your support. And all of the people that followed me on Twitter. That was great. We're going to hit 1,000 subscribers, or 1,000 followers, is it? Yeah, 1,000 followers in no time. And of course, I am over on Twitch, EGXYZ. I'm apparently an affiliate over there, but I haven't set anything up. I still need to finish setting up my channel in general. I stream on Twitch Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It's October, so we're going to be doing some more spooky games, more Halloween or horror-themed games this month. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, folks. I'm going to give you 15 seconds of this song, so you have to tell me very quickly what it is before the stream cuts out. Ready? Here we go.